This is the elevator at the Brownfield Center at St. Vincent College in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. It's a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic impulse Marshall. It's also a glass elevator, which is interesting for a building like this small. You can see like the holeless piston in that. Go down the one, figure it out. Got a little weird tinting though, like a blue. Kind of dirty. And there's not much glass down here. Here, one. Go up to three. There's a finicky button. That button is loud. Oh, that lantern is loud. Here, go up. Pretty bright here at three. Back down to ground. That button does not like being pressed. There we go. Certificate in the office. It's a basic fake wood grain cab with a red carpet. It goes outside at this point. Here it's inside. I guess those stairwell ends there at the roof. thyssenkrupp elevator. Here back at ground. Door's a little tight, but not finicky. There's like a little nice garden there. And there's the elevator. They're close enough to be. It's outside glass, so it's like that.